Welcome to another video. We are going to go over L'Auberge in Baton Rouge, their regular room, and show you how they're doing it. So we're going to start with the entryway here, which you also have a straight view here. The view that we have that I will show you is the Mississippi River. We have a sliding door to our bathroom.
Nice.
We do have a nice size bathroom. I do like the separation from the water closet to the sink and to the shower as well. Body mirror. Let's be honest here. This room is a no frills, no thrills. It has you just what you need. The regular room, I believe, does not have a refrigerator. Let me check real quick. I don't want to lie to you. No refrigerator. You do have a robe in here. As you can see, a nice big comfortable bed. This is not my first time staying here, but I do believe it's time for an update. I'm not a big fan of carpet, but you do see some wear and tear like on the desk and everything else. It has your standard amenities, a coffee maker, but it's somewhere to sleep. But I do have a great view of the Mississippi River, which I'm going to show you. This view of the Mississippi River does provide a good view of the sunset. The sun does set this way, but it's nice. You don't really hear too much. You can hear people in the hallway, but outside of that, that's your basic room. Let's see here. Again, show that.